Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. It is Crafty Wednesday. So I'm thinking, what am I going to be doing? My fall really is done. And I want to thank everybody for watching Kathy's and mine. Kathy did a home tour, then I did a home tour, and the response was wonderful. We had so many people stop in to see us, and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and we're so happy you're here. And to all of our old subscribers, should I say that word, old subscribers? I don't know. But thank you for always commenting, liking, sharing, and supporting our channel. It's so greatly appreciated. So getting back, Crafty Wednesday, I thought, I really don't know what to do. My fall's done, so I'm thinking, well, Halloween basically is coming up in October. I know a lot of you don't do Halloween. I am going to do some Halloween, and then after Halloween, I'm going to go back. I'm not taking everything down. I'm not taking all my fall things down. But I'll be doing little Halloween vignettes along the way and little ideas. And but no, I won't take all my fall down. But I'll get through the month of October doing some Halloween. And then after that, I'm going to go back and do my fall Thanksgiving version. So I'm hoping you'll all watch that. But again, thank you so much for watching our home tours and subscribing to our channel. It really means so much to us. So, getting back to Crafty Wednesday. My gosh, I'm just So I thought I would show you a little Halloween vignette and what I did, and I will show you a video, is a little science project. So I'm just going to let you watch, but and I will explain what I'm doing. But yeah, I would call it a science project for Halloween. And it was a lot of fun. So I'll let you guys watch this, and then I'll be back and talk to you afterwards. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Stay tuned for the video. Okay, bye-bye. So I have this plastic container I've been saving. So here I'm just soaking it in hot soapy water trying to get the label off. And what a pain. It just didn't want to come off. So I got the paper off and I tried Goo Gone and it said no, I'm staying on. So I just left it. It looked fine. And so I went to Dollar Tree today and I bought some items that I specifically wanted to use as a science project. So here is a plastic skull. So that fit just perfectly in there, and filled that up with water. And what we did, my son helped me. Well, we had to poke a hole in his head because we needed him to sink. He kept floating. And these highlighter pens, if you take the inside of it out and you squeeze it into the container, it sends this fluorescent color, and a black light will just light it up green. It's really cool. So we added a couple spiders to that and a couple more highlighter pin the insides and squeeze that stuff out. Use gloves if you do this because it will stain your fingers. And my son said it actually kind of burnt his fingers a little bit. Okay, so we have some other little things here. I don't know what that is, but I thought it might look cute as a science project. Here is the skeleton of a bird that we shoved in that jar. What a mess we made, too. That, I don't know what it is, lizard lips. So we put that in a jar with a lizard and added some more of the fluorescent highlighter ink. Here, I bought a bag of eyeballs. Now, all this stuff came from the Dollar Tree. So there we've got the eyeballs and the skull and the bird skeleton, all in their jars with their fluorescent ink in there. And I'll show you what that looks like. It's so cool. And it's just kind of creepy looking. People would actually have to pick that up and look at it and say, what the heck is it? So I had this creepy cloth, and we thought, well, we'll go ahead and show possibilities of displaying it. So I got my box books out, and we just set the jars around and put that creepy cloth down, and there's a lizard trying to get out of a jar. That's an upside down bat just hanging. It's so funny. And then there's the forceps trying to get that lizard into the jar for the next science project. Added a couple little red candles, and there's our looking glass. So we just created a quick little vignette. This is just on my kitchen counter, and I'm actually not putting this stuff up yet. Halloween is too early. We're just kind of experimenting. So I want to show you what it looks like all lit up. So we turned off the lights, and that's what it does. It just glows. Now, I'm not sure if I like it this yellowy green. I might, I don't know, it looks pretty good. Might just add a little bit more water to it. So haven't decided yet. Gonna let it sit overnight and see what it does. But it really casts a very eerie glow. It's a little skeleton, glow-in-the-dark skeleton, also from the Dollar Tree. And you know what? This project did not cost very much money. And you can do all this if you save your jars, and that's just a mason jar there. And just save them. So it was a lot of fun doing this. Thanks to Matt for helping me. Okay, so what'd you think? It was so easy to do, just going to the Dollar Tree, finding some items that I thought would look creepy. And then the jars I had at home. And, for $5, $6, $7, you can really do some creepy Halloween vignettes. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. And I do have another project coming up, and it is going to be a craft. And it's not going to be a spooky, eerie craft. It'll be something more on the whimsical side. And I'm anxious to get started on that. I've bought my supplies. And then I want to apologize because yesterday on Tuesday I usually put a video up and was so busy. I had company coming in. My sister-in-law is here from California. Yay! Hi, Denise. And then I'm having more company at the end of this week. So it's going to be a really busy week. So I'm trying to do things in between other things. So please forgive me for not having a video up yesterday. All right, that'll be it for today, and I will see y'all soon. Love you guys. Bye-bye.